Good afternoon, friend. In manufacturing laboratory, uh, in previous lectures, we had seen the two practical. Okay, so already two practicals have been completed up till now. So write down these all practical in your file page with the zero practical also. Okay. Now today I'm going to just focus on experiment number 10, last practical. That is blow molding process. And the aim of blow molding process is to prepare a bottle of 200 ml using blow molding machine. Okay, so blow molding is a process through which you can produce any type of hollow product with help of polyethylene material. Okay, so first the requirement of the material is low grade polythene. Okay, you can use waste polyethylene also. You can melt that and the same material can be utilized in the blow molding process itself. Okay, so here this is some pictorial image of extrusion blow molding process. Okay, so this is a blow molding process. This is the first case, this is the second case, this is the third one, and this is the final step in which your product is made. Okay, here what types of equipments are required? So for this blow molding process, you require the blow molding machine. Extrusion blow molding machine is required. So blow molding process theory is what? The working principle. The process is applied only thermoplastics. ओके सो आप ये प्रोसेस कहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो? थर्मोप्लास्टिक की जो भी प्रोडक्ट है उस पर आप ये प्रोसेस अप्लाई कर सकते हो ब्लो मोल्डिंग की, which are used for producing hollow objects such as bottle and floatable objects by applying the air pressure to the sheet material when it is heated and soft pliable condition. ओके आपको कहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है? अगर आपको हॉलो प्रोडक्ट चाहिए, कोई भी बॉटल जैसी, बॉटल हमारी कैसी होती है? हॉलो प्रोडक्ट बोलते हैं हम, अंदर से हॉलो होती है. सो यू कैन यूटिलाइज एज अ कंटेनर फॉर एनीथिंग, वाटर और ऑयल और एनी liquid metal you can fill inside that particular hollow object. So that type of hollow object can be produced with help of the process that is known as blow molding process. So blow molding can be accomplished in two manners. One is direct blow molding and other is indirect blow molding. Okay, generally what happen, direct blow molding process is very generalized. Okay, blow molding process, direct blow molding process is very well known. So in the former case, means it is in the first case, that is the blow molding, direct blow molding process, in which what happen, the measured amount of material in the tube is either injected or extruded in a split cavity die. Split cavity die means, see in this figure here, this is the one die and this is the another die. Okay, so there are the two part of die and that can be open and closed. That's why it is known as split die. So two part of die are there in the blow molding process. That's why it is known as split cavity die. Because that can be open and closed from the center. So the die having the two hulls, you may say that the cop and drag hulls. Okay, and vertically it may be open and closed, and inside that particular house you must you may find the cavity as per your required product. आपको जैसी भी प्रोडक्ट चाहिए उसकी रेप्लिका उस डाई में होगी। मीन्स वो डाई इस तरह से बनाएंगे कि उसके अंदर उसकी रिवर्स इमेज होगी। So that is known as cavity, and that can be open and closed. That's why it is a split cavity die. Now the split mold is closed around the tube. Which tube? Here, see in this figure. Okay, here this is the tube. Hollow tube is coming from the top side. This is the tube. The tube is coming from top side, and this is a hollow tube. Okay, when plastic is heated in the extruder, and from that extruder, one tube type heated plastic pipe is inserted in the cavity. So this is a tube, okay, hollow tube, plastic hollow tube is coming in this cavity, and then this die will be closed. See the arrow in the second image, you can see in this process the die will be closed, and from tube side, from open side tubular die. Okay, so from here you must have to apply the compressed air. So from this region, compressed air will be inserted here, so that what happened, due to that compressed air, this two portion of the tube will be connected on the edge of die like this. Okay, and bottom side it is closed. So it will find out this type of condition. So from top you have to blow the air. So it is a compressed air, hot compressed air are there. So it can be inserted over here. So this tube can be just stick with the wall of die. Then after, just open the die and remove your product. This is your product, so remove it. After cooling it down, you just open the die and you will get your product made by blow molding process. So here you may read it, a sealing up the lower end and the air under pressure is blown into the tube, okay, which cause the tube to expand to the wall of cavity. So क्या होगा, अगर air आप ऊपर से apply करेंगे, then that heated tube will be expanded and it will be stick on the wall of cavity. उसकी डाई की जो भी वॉल है उसके ऊपर वो स्टिक हो जाएगी। मीन्स उसका जो भी अंदर का शेप है वो शेप के अकॉर्डिंग दैट कैन बी स्टिक ऑन द वॉल ऑफ दैट cavity, and it will be converted into the shape of die. Okay, so this is the direct blow molding process. Now in the another case, or in the second case, that is known as indirect blow molding process. So in which what happen, uniformly softened sheet material by heat is clamped at the edge between the die and the cover. तो जो भी आपकी die है और cover, suppose कोई भी आपकी die है, and cover, which cause the sheet to attain the hemispherical shape. Die और cover के जो भी एज है उसके ऊपर आपको क्या करना है, heated softened sheet को रख देना है. Then it will take the shape of that particular die. So it will configure configurations of the mold, whatever it may be, a parts obtained by indirect molding have excellent appearance, but here what happened, they are more costly as only 2% of the seed stock is utilized, and also there is a tendency for excessive thinning of sheet at the deepest point. So the direct blow molding process is more favorable. Now the procedure for this particular system, step number 1, set the die in the position and adjust the guide rod nut to shoot the die height. Okay, you can adjust the die height according to your position of the machine and die, and then align the tapered face of the die for sealing the parison. Here new words come arrived, parison. So parison is nothing but a hollow plastic tube. See in the figure, see in this figure, just a minute. Yes. Here, this is this plastic tube. Just a minute. This plastic tube, hollow plastic tube, is known as parison. This one. This is the plastic, hollow plastic tube, and that is known as parison. Hollow plastic tube that initially inserted or injected in the die, that is known as parison. Okay, so parison while blowing also checks for face opening and closing the die. Okay, तो इनिशियल लेवल पे आपको सब चेक करने जाए कि आपका पैरिजन कंप्लीटली इंसर्ट हुआ, वो बॉटम साइड तक पहुंचा, पहुंचने के बाद क्लोज परफेक्टली क्लोज हुई या नहीं, मींस डाई के दोनों पार्ट परफेक्टली क्लोज हुए या नहीं, ये भी आपको चेक कर लेना है. सेकंड स्टेप इज व्हाट, एंश्योर द मिनिमम डाई हाइट is 80 mm, means it is a specification for this 200 ml bottle. Okay, so for the different machine, different product, it may be a height of the die may vary, and provide spacing plates if necessary. Third number, set the injection, release and blow pressure by rotating the regulator knob to shoot the requirement of the molding container. So आपको चालू करने से, मशीन चालू करने से पहले ये सब सेट कर देना है. Then step number 4, fit correct quantity and quality. Fit correct quantity and quality of the plastic material and switch on the power supply. अब आपको पावर सप्लाई ऑन करना है. ओके, सब पहले सेटिंग चेक कर लिया, डाई ओपन क्लोज हो रही है वो चेक कर लिया, पेरिजन का फ्लो की जो ट्यूब है वहां से परफेक्ट है वो चेक कर लिया, डाई ओपन क्लोज हो रही है वो चेक कर लो. उसके बाद सेट कर दो नॉब को, इंजेक्शन को, कितना आपको क्वांटिटी और क्वालिटी चाहिए. फिर उसके बाद जब मटेरियल आप फीड कर दो, देन स्विच ऑन द मशीन so that machine will be on. Then next step is switch on the heater. So on the extruder machine, before the parison coming, there is extrusion machine. So through that extrusion machine, your solid plastic material will be heated and converted into some pasty form. Okay, because heat is there. So due to that heat, it is melted like form, or it is not exactly melt the material, but it is having, due to the certain temperature, it will be just smoothen one with help of this heater placed on the extruder machine. Now step number 6. So extruder machine is a main part of this particular process. So set the required timing control to control the bottom heater. Okay, so you must have to set the time for heater also. Then step number 7, allow sufficient time to stabilizer. Then when the temperature reached, operate the hand lever valve. Okay, when temperature is reached, means as per your required temperature, it is available, then operate the hand lever valve. Then what happens? Once the temperature is set, then extrude the parison. Means parison will be made and it will be come out from the extruder machine and insert into the cavity. So extrude the parison. Parison is what? That is tubular form. Okay, to the required length and close the 2 die hulls and release the injection cylinder. So आपको जो भी पेरिजन है वो कहाँ पे आएगा? यहाँ से देखो फिगर में. This पेरिजन, just a minute. This पेरिजन will insert into the die. Okay, यहाँ से insert होगा. Okay, then these 2 die will be closed. These 2 die will be closed. Now step number 10. Operate the hand lever valve and blow the air so that. अभी सेकंड स्टेप में 10 नंबर स्टेप में क्या करना है? आपका पेरिजन इन हो गया, डाई क्लोज हो गई. अभी आप ऊपर थोड़ी जगह होगी एयर ब्लो करने के लिए. सो वहां से आपको कंप्रेस्ड heated compressed air को blow करना है. So due to that blowing of air, your parison will be expanded and it will be stick to the wall of die and it will get the exact shape of the die. So that the parison to the form of shape of the container as designed in the die. And step number 11, allow the component to cool. और उसको 1 या 2 मिनट के लिए रेस्ट पे रखो तो वो कूल हो जाएगा. देन ओपन द डाई एंड टेक द प्रोडक्ट आउट ऑफ द डाई. प्रोडक्ट को आपने बाहर ले लिया. देन नाउ द मशीन इज रेडी फॉर नेक्स्ट साइकिल. और जो प्रोडक्ट निकालिए उसको आप सेकेंडरी ऑपरेशन मींस अननेसेसरी जो भी प्रोटोडेड पार्ट उसके साथ चिपक गए हो, देन यू मे जस्ट मशीन दैट. Okay, you can remove it with the sharpened knife also. Then in this process, what are some precautions? You must have to take some precautions during this practical or during this machining process. So first one is send hot pressurized air within the range. Then care about the die and care about this parison. Otherwise, if the parison will stick with each other, then it cannot be expanded. So you must have to extra care must be taken during the parison coming in the die. Otherwise, what happens? The die, that hollow parison will be stick with each other, with itself. And if this will do so, then even if you apply the air, then it cannot be expanded. So this in parison movement, you must have to taken care that the two means hollow parison must not stick with each other. And finally, you will get the required product as per your die shape. Okay. And at last, this is the assignment. So in assignment, I have only put one question. Explain the blow molding process with net sketch and state the limitation of it. You must have to also write the real life application of blow molding process. ओके, मीन्स कौन कौन सी एप्लीकेशन है, जो मीन्स कौन सी प्रोडक्ट है, रियल लाइफ प्रोडक्ट, सो वो ब्लो मोल्डिंग से प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हो. ओके, एंड यू मस्ट हैव टू एक्सप्लेन दिस विथ हेल्प ऑफ अ नेट स्केच ऑफ blow molding machine with extruder. Okay, here from YouTube also will understand this process. So if you have any doubt, then please tell me. See, this is the automatic blow molding process. So some type of bottles are made with this process. This is the raw material. Okay, this type of raw material is available, and this is the extruder. This is the extruder machine. Okay, and this is the Parisen. See, this is Parisen, means hollow plastic tube, and here the die will be closed, and then apply the compressed air. Okay, through this nozzle, apply the compressed air, then open the die. So once you apply the compressed air, then it will be expanded, and this type of product will be made. Okay, from bottom side it is closed, and see, automatically the extra extruded part will be removed. So this type of product is made with help of this blow molding process. This type of bottle. Okay, this is the automatic process, so that unnecessary part can be removed from this process also. So here checking the leakage by some hydraulic process. Okay, if some leakages are there, then that bottle can be, yes, if there is a leakage, then that bottle can be automatically come out from this perfect bottle. Then perfect bottle will be packed and ready for dispatch. Okay, now just a minute. This is the another 32 to 50 liter plastic drum making process. So see, from here, this is Parisen. See, this is the Parisen. Okay, Parisen means hollow plastic tube that is coming from the extruder. This is extruder. This one, follow my cursor. This is extruder. So from that extruder, that plastic material will be melted. And here, see, this is the two die are closed. And here, what happened? Apply the pressurized air. And once pressurized air is applied, then open the die. Okay, allow for some cooling, and allow it for some rest so that it can be cooled down, and then open the die. so that the product will be made. Now see the opening two die. This is one die and this is a two die. Two dies are open. Then cut it from the top side. Okay. Here top portion is see from the knife itself, it is cutted from top side. So this type of 250 liter. See again another Parisian is coming. This is the die. Okay, this Parisian is coming from the extruder. Now in this process, air is inserted from the bottom side. Okay, so this is the Parisian. Now close the die and again repeat the same process. Clear? Have you any doubt? Again, see this process for a small container. This type of small container can also be produced with help of blow molding machine. So here, this is extruder. Follow my cursor. That is extruder. And from here, this is the die. Sorry, this is the head. And this is the two die. Now, this is your plastic container. Now, this is the Parisian. Parisian is coming. See, the Parisian is coming and die is closed. Then apply the air. And after, see, this is the extruder machine. This is the hopper in through which you can add your plastic material. Now, this type of container is made with help of this machine. See, this is your final product. This is Parisian, means hollow tube is coming. Then it is fitted into the bottom side and then apply the pressurized air so that Parisian will be expanded and your product will be made. Got it, all of you? So thank you very much, all of you. If you have any doubt, then please tell me.